cubes and dice. Already you might be knowing cubes. Dice means we play with those things. Dice means we play with those things, and numbers will be written or dots will be there on the top. You can you can remember. I think this is dice. We just used to play with this, and now problems with dice. Cubes also look similar. We will see. This is the first. Some basic rules are there. If you fold this, we will get a cube. To fold this and getting a cube, we can keep the 3 as base, and all the 4 sides we can just lift it as the face of the cube. 6 becomes top. 6 becomes top, and then a box will be formed. If 3 is the base, if you are lifting this 2, 1, 4, 5 upwards, they become faces of the cube. And 6, if you cover it, it becomes the top. So 3 and 6 will be opposite, and 2, 4 will be opposite faces. 1, 5 will be opposite faces in a cube. Cube means a box. Okay, cube means a closed box. So just this can be the box. Okay, opposite faces is written here. Now second form, you can see, you can keep 3 or 4 as the base. 3 or 4 as the base. You can, if I keep 3 as base, you can lift 2 as one of the side, fold 1 as the left side face, fold the 1 as left side face, lift 4, lift 4, it will become face, and close, cover the box with 5, 5 becomes the top, and fold 6 on the other side, that will become a face. 1 and 6 will be opposite, 3 will be base, 5 will be the top, they are opposite, 3 and 5. 2 and 4 are opposite faces in the cube. Okay, so like that we have different formats, the cutting can be done. And here also you can keep 3 or 4 as the base. If I keep 3 as base, you lift 1, 2, 4. Okay, you lift 1, 2, 4, 3 faces completed. Close the top using 5, then fold the 6 on the side. So 2 and 6 will be opposite, 3 is base and 5 is top. 1 and 4 are opposite faces. Similarly here you can just make, similarly you can just make 3 as the base, 1, 2, 4 you can lift upwards, they become faces of the cube. Then you can just cover the top using 6, and when you lift 4 up, you can just twist 5, it becomes another face. 2 and 5 will be opposite, 3 is the base, 6 is the top, so they are opposite, 1 and 4 are opposite. Like that you can plan, and then you can fold them accordingly. Here if you make 4 as the base, 4 as the base, okay, you lift 3 and 5, they become 4 as the base, you lift 3 and 5, they become the faces of the cube. And you just twist 2 and 1, twist 2 and 1, they also become the faces. And then cover the top using 6. So 6 and 4 will be opposite, and 3 and 1 will be opposite, 2 and 5 will be opposite, 2 and 5 will be opposite. What I have done, 4 as the base, lift 3 and 5, they will become the faces. 4 is the bottom, 3 and 5 is the faces of the cube. You twist 2 and 1, they become faces. So 2 will be opposite to 5, and 1 will be opposite to 3. And after lifting 5, you will be having 6 hanging. You cover it as the top. So 6 will become the top, 4 is the bottom. So 4 and 6 are opposite. So like that you can try with other 3 forms also. These are different things. How the top will look like. This is about the top, how the top will look like. And this is about the top when you cover. Okay. And here what you can see, these two will be faces. These two are faces. When you join them properly, these two are faces. So these are basic rules, some of the basic rules while forming a cube from the cutting papers. And now I will go to the actual problem, dice. So we will just roll the dice while playing. We will just roll the dice, 1, 2, 3 up to 6 will be there. Okay. Now the question is, observe the dots on the dice. 1 to 6 are present in the following figures. Both are same dice. Okay. Rolling, if I roll it, if it is case 1, if you roll the dice, it is case 2, it is the same dice. How many dots are contained on the face opposite to that containing 4 dots? How many dots are contained on the face opposite to that containing 4 dots? So you can see here from 1 to 2. Okay, from 1 to 2, what are the observations you can see? The one dot has moved on to the top. Okay, one dot, it has moved from face to top. Okay, face to top. If you see like that, okay, if you see like that, what happens to the bottom? In figure 1, bottom will become face in the figure 2. Okay, so figure 1, bottom, when the rolling take place, it will become face in figure 2, and that is nothing but 4 dots. That is nothing but 4 dots. It has become face in the second figure. Okay, from this observation, in the figure 1, top is 2. In the figure 1, top is 2 when rolling takes place. When rolling upward take place. Rolling upward takes place for the dice. Okay, this one has gone on to the top and 2 has gone into the opposite side. 2 has gone on to the opposite side. Base has come over here, which is having 4 dots. Base has come over here where it is having 4 dots. Okay, so figure 1, the 2 dots will move to figure 2. Okay, opposite face to 4 dots. Okay, opposite in figure 2, the 2 dots will be opposite to 4 dots. Okay, so what is the opposite to 4 dots? It is 2. Opposite to, only observation from figure 1, the dice is rolling upwards, so the dot 1 has gone to the top. Okay, dot 1 face has gone to the top. Okay, so now bottom has come as 4 and top has gone as opposite to 4, which is 2 dots. Answer is 2. Now I'm going to the next problem. You can also try along with me. 3 different positions, same dice, okay, of same dice, 3 different positions are shown. How many dots lie opposite to 2 dots? How many dots lie opposite to 2 dots? Okay. Now, what are the observations we can do? What are the observations you can do? So, every face is having either 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, dice is having 6 faces, and those 6 faces are 1 dot, 2 dots, okay, 3 dots, 4 dots, 5 dots, and 6 dots. These are the 6 faces in the dice. These are the 6 faces, okay, in the dice. Now we are observing figure 1 to 3. Figure 1 to 3. What is our observation? The 4 dots has moved from top to face. Okay, dice has rolled, dice rolled downwards. Dice roll downwards. So the 4 dots in figure 1, okay, figure 1, 4 dots is present on top. So it has moved in figure 2, okay, in figure 2, 4 dots has become as face, okay. Now, what is the thing? 4 dots has moved here. Now the opposite face has come to the top. Okay, in figure 1, opposite face to 2 dots. Okay, it has moved in figure 2, it has moved as top. Okay, in figure 1, opposite of 2 dots, it has become top face. It has become top in the figure 3, not 2, in figure 3. Sorry, in figure 3. Okay, so now what they are asking, what is the number of dots opposite to 2? It is 3. 3 dots. Okay, opposite to 2, 3 dots. So in figure 1, 2 dots is there. That face has become the bottom. That face has become the bottom. Okay, in figure 1, 2 dots, it is one of the face. When rolling happens in figure 3, 2 dots is nothing but bottom. 2 dots is nothing but bottom because dice is rolling downwards. Dice is rolling. That is our observation. By observing all the 3 diagrams, you can find, you can catch any one logic. You can catch any one logic. So answer will come same, correct. Okay. Now I am going to the next problem. 3 positions of a dice are given. 3 positions of a dice are given. Based on them, find out which number is found opposite the number 2 in the given cube. Okay, all the three diagrams are of same dice in different rolling positions. It is like this. Now they are asking what is opposite to number 2. What is opposite to, instead of dots here number is there. Okay, what is opposite to number 2? What we can say, if we observe 1 and 3, if we observe 1 and 3, okay, dice has rolled leftwards, dice rolled leftwards. Okay, so in figure 1, in figure 1, number 1 is face, number 1 is face. When rolling takes place in figure 3, the number 1 is still face only, number 1 is face only. Okay, rolling happened leftwards, so the 4 has gone to the top. In figure 1, in figure 1, number 4 is a face, and when rolling takes place in figure 3, in figure 3, number 4 has become top, number 4 has become top. Okay, now any other thing we can identify? What is the number opposite to 2? What is the number opposite to 2? Opposite to 2. Okay, if you have answer, you can tell me. I got the answer. When leftward rolling happens, what about 6? Okay, in figure 1, number 6 is top, and when rolling leftward happens, in figure 3, number 6 is opposite to number 2. Okay, number 6 is opposite to number 2. When rolling happens leftwards, leftwards, 4 has gone to the top, 6 has gone to the opposite, bottom has come as the phase 2. Bottom has come as phase 2. Okay, so in figure 1, in figure 1, bottom is number 2. Bottom is number 2. When rolling takes place in figure 3, okay, so number 2 is one of the face, one of the face. So 6 is opposite to 2. 6 is opposite to 2. Okay, so slowly any one logic if we catch, any logic you can catch, answer will come same. Any logic you catch, answer will come same. Answer is 6.